Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to spend a cosy day with you. It's officially been autumn for 1 month, but it's finally gotten colder and started to actually feel like autumn, which means lots of layers, coffees and hot chocolates, and cozy movie nights. I usually start my day by going through my social media. I'm trying to keep this as low as possible, maybe 10 minutes, so that I don't get caught in an infinite loop of TikToks. When I finally rise from my bed, I brush my teeth and get ready to shower. I like to always make our bed in the morning. It's just a habit we've gotten into. It looks nice and it makes me feel like I'm ready to start my day. And as I work from home, it also stops me from being tempted to get back into the bed during the day because I don't want to mess it up. This reminds me of being younger, but I always fold away my pyjamas behind my pillows, ready for the night time so that they're safe and cozy. I'm choosing a comfortable outfit today, and although I'm not going to get ready, I do like to put on my watch and some jewellery just to make me feel a little bit more put together, and then I'm going to throw my hair up as well. Please excuse the state of this room. We are in the midst of packing a moving house, so everything is very much all over the place. Exactly why I need a chill day today to take my mind off this. I'm trying to get into the habit of washing the dishes and cleaning the kitchen the night before, but I don't always get around to it. But I do always make sure that it's clean and tidy in the morning. It just helps to motivate me to get in there and cook us some healthy and wholesome meals for the day. I've seen this recipe all over TikTok recently, so I thought I'd try it for the first time. I'm making cinnamon apple porridge, or spiced apple oats I think it's also called. I diced up an apple and caramelised them in a teaspoon of honey, cooked my oats and topped them off with the apples and a dash of cinnamon. These were actually really nice and kept me full for the full morning. I've recently gotten into digital planning and I found it so helpful with planning my day. So I sit and do that for a few minutes to remind myself of what I have on. Usually the rest of my day would be full of work, but as we're having a cozy day, I'm taking myself out for a little coffee and a shopping trip to see what home decor inspiration I can find in the shops for the season. And if you know me, you know I love my home decor, so hopefully we find some good stuff. After shopping, I'm catching up on some emails. This is a very realistic, cosy autumnal day for me. I do get to choose when I work, but I do work every day of the week, even on weekends. But I don't really mind it because I love my job so much and I'm so grateful for it. Rob and I work from home, so we usually get to lunch together. Today I'm making us pulled chicken tacos that we had left over from the night before. I just found the recipe on TikTok and it was my first time making them, but they were so good. Definitely satisfied a craving that I was having. A few hours have passed whilst I've been doing my work, and it's now the evening time. I love our evenings to feel really relaxed and easy, and a lot of that comes from ambience. To set the mood, I always light a few candles and turn on the lamps. I've also found I really enjoy listening to slow down old school R&B, lo-fi or jazz music whilst I'm tidying and cooking. I never thought I'd see the day where I genuinely like listening to jazz music, but the time has come and I am here for it. Tonight we made a vegetable soup and watched a couple of episodes of Friends on the sofa to unwind. Friends never fails to make us laugh. It's definitely one of our favourite programmes. Now it's time to get ready for bed. I have such a love-hate relationship with skincare. I'm an impatient person, so I hate how long my routine takes me when I just want to go to bed. But once I am doing my skincare, I remember all the reasons why I love it so much. It's such a self-care moment. I don't get a lot of moments in a day to focus on taking care of me and my physical being. As I say, my routine takes a little while, so I usually concentrate on my products at night time when I have more time. I like to double cleanse to get a real good clean, treat any problem areas with acids or serums, and then rehydrate with thicker creams that can sink in overnight. I've also on and off been practicing the art of gua sha. I hope that I can get into a better routine with it because I can actually see it making a difference to my face shape, which is cool. I always grab a big bottle of water for my bedside to stay hydrated during the night. And one product that I absolutely swear by now is my CBD oil, which I take one drop of and it helps to give me a better quality of sleep, which I absolutely see the benefits from. I hope that you enjoyed spending a cozy day with me. Let me know your favourite coziest things to do. And if you're not already, be sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Take care.